Hello everyone. So in the next video we are going to see about the desolventization and the refining of the oil. So in the previous video we had seen what are all the two different types of methods and how the oil is being hydrogenized and what are all the drawbacks that we get due to the process of hydrogenization. So this is also in this video we are going to see another two process that is involved in the processing of oil seeds, that is the desolventization and the refining. So getting into the topic, let's have a small recall about what is desolventization and what is actually refining of oil means. So as we told, we are going to take the meal, that is a oil seed meal that we are going to desolventize. Okay, so what we are going to do is, by the process of desolventization, we are going to remove the solvent, that is a residual solvent that is present in the extracted meal of the oil seed. How we can remove is, we can expose the particular meal to steam and heat. Okay, so making it safe and recovering the solvent for the reuse. So that is the process of desolventization of oil. Coming into the refining of oil, refining is nothing but we are going to refine and give and produce an edible oil. So it will purify the crude oil by removing the gums, acids, color and odor to produce a clean, stable and an edible oil that is used for consumption purpose. So that is how we are going to refine. So in the process of refining, we are going to degum, neutralize in order to balance the pH of the oil, and we are going to bleach, that is we are going to standardize or enhance the color, as well as we are going to deodorization, we are going to change the order. Okay, so in this video let's see about what is the principle behind desolventization of oil and the mechanism, and what type of equipment is being used for desolventization purpose, as well as the refining of oil. So desolventization is nothing but the process to remove the residual solvent from the oil seed meal after the solvent extraction process using either steam or controlled heating process. So in order to make that meal more safe, edible and much suitable for feed or for further processing. So in this diagram we can understand desolventization method is being done by meal, the solvent after the solvent extraction method only we are going to pass the steam in the particular oil seed meal. So the principle and the mechanism behind this. So in this picture you can see a desolventizer-toaster where it is being completely insulated. It has a heating chamber, conveyor system and a control unit. So its purpose, actually its main principle is to actually produce the steam for heating application. So it will ensure a complete solvent removal, improve a protein digestibility. Also it will reduce the anti-nutritional factors in the meat. So for the process of this we can look through the desolventizer-toaster operator. So this will pass the meal through the multiple heating stages. Through the multiple heating stages, what will happen is that the steam will pass through the multiple stages, toast and enhances the nutritional value by having a controlled drying time and also a cooling time. Why we have to have a controlled environment? In order to prevent the spoilage and the stability of the meal. So next, coming to the refining of the oil. So obviously in order to make the oil to convert into an edible form, we have to go in for refining. So it is a process of nothing but we are going to purify the crude oil by removing the impurities such as the gums, acid, other pigments, in order to produce a very clean, stable and a high quality edible oil. So this is the basic definition behind the refining of oil. So in the process of refining of oil, we are going to see degumming, neutralization and desolventization and the deodorization are the four techniques behind the refining of oil. So degumming, we all know it will help to remove the phospholipids called as the gums by either using acid treatment or by using water we can remove. Then we have to neutralize, that is we have to remove the free fatty acids using alkali.